Senzo Meyo trial continues at the High Court in Pretoria. Pinky from Vodacom is still giving her testimony. She's now testifying about the distances between towers and crime scene. She then stated that Ho Street, which is 18 kilometers from the crime scene, that resides at 200 Marshall Street, and it's the city of Johannesburg. The Sawa Street, that is 20 kilometers. The address is 54 Pixley Gaseme Street, Johannesburg. There's Wanderers Street, which is 25.2 kilometers, located at 37 Carl Drive, Ilovo, Sandton. On 26 October 2024 at 2032, SMS received at Ho Street, and the distance is 18.8 kilometers from the crime scene. Hostels, crime scene tower locations: Vosloorus Katlehong, the Mazibuko Hostel to the crime scene, Spruitview Tower, 2.3 kilometers from the crime scene, Basotho Hostel, which is 2.6 kilometers and reflecting other towers. There's Phakeng Tower, Moseleki Tower, and Sale Section. After Sale Section, there's Gwenlele and Thabo Ntsako Tower. Above the crime scene is Spruitview Vosloorus Tower, and below there is Vosloorus again. Clinics Vosloorus and Bopang-Khotso Tower, Ho Street, 209 meters. Volhunter is 1.9 kilometers. Belgravia is 2.9 kilometers. Penrose 3.2 kilometers. Heidelberg 3.1 kilometers. Volhunter B Tower, Sawa Street is 3.3 kilometers. Wanderers is 8.6 kilometers. Hope Street is 1.96 kilometers. Moy Street 1.91 kilometers. Belgravia 996 meters. Penrose 1.32 kilometers. Heidelberg 3.2 kilometers. Belgravia Tower B to Sawa Street 4.2 kilometers. Wanderers Street, which is 8.4 kilometers. Ho Street 2.8 kilometers. Moy Street 2.9 kilometers. Volhunter 996 meters. Penrose 885 meters. Heidelberg 2.3 kilometers. At about 14:30, Vosloorus Tower was picked up till 11:53. That means on 26 October 2014, number ending 8169 was in the vicinity of the Vosloorus area, and the device traveled from one place to another. And on 26 October 2014, at 17:49, the device was still in motion. Basotho Hostel reflects Vosloorus Tower. The distance between the crime scene and Vosloorus Tower is 2.9 kilometers. Mazibuko Hostel, 2nd Vosloorus Square, Spruitview, Bopang-Khotso Clinics, and Moseleki. On Vosloorus to Vosloorus Square, it's 1.36 kilometers to Spruitview. 4 kilometers. Bopang-Khotso is 2.4 kilometers. Clinics 2 kilometers. Phakeng is 4.2 kilometers. Moseleki is 3.8 kilometers. Thabo Ntsako is 6.2 kilometers. Sale Section 4.9 kilometers. Gwenlele 4.2 kilometers. And from Vosloorus Square to Vosloorus Tower is 1.36 kilometers. From Vosloorus to Spruitview is 4 kilometers. Bopang-Khotso is 1.41 kilometers. Clinics is 841 meters. Phakeng is 4.9 kilometers. Moseleki is 4.9 kilometers. Thabo Ntsako is 7.5 kilometers. Sale Section 6.1 kilometers. Gwenlele 5.5 kilometers. Spruitview to Vosloorus is 4 kilometers. Vosloorus Square is 4 kilometers. Bopang-Khotso is 5.4 kilometers. Clinics is 1.8 kilometers. Phakeng 2.6 kilometers. Moseleki is 3.9 kilometers. Thabo Ntsako is 6.8 kilometers. Sale Street is 5.2 kilometers. Gwenlele is 5.4 kilometers. Bopang-Khotso to Vosloorus is 2.4 kilometers. Clinics is 627 meters. Phakeng 6.3 kilometers. Moseleki is 6.1 kilometers. Clinics to Vosloorus is 2 kilometers. Vosloorus Square is 841 meters, 4.8 to spread view. Obang 627 meters, Pakeng 4.9 kilometers, Moseleki 5.7 kilometers, Pakeng to Vosloorus is 1.2 kilometers. Vosloorus Square is 4.9 kilometers, spread view is 2.6 kilometers, Obang Khozo is 2.63 kilometers, Moseleki is 1.68 kilometers. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.